Hi, Emily. How was your trip to Paris?
Hi, Tom. It was great except for one thing. My luggage got lost during the flight.
Oh no, that's terrible. Did you manage to find it?
Not yet. I reported it to the airline, and they said they would try to locate it and deliver it to me as soon as possible. But it's been 2 days already, and I'm starting to worry.
I can imagine how frustrating that must be. Did they give you any information about the status of your luggage?
Yes, they gave me a file reference number and assured me that they would keep me updated. I've been checking their website and calling them regularly, but there hasn't been any significant progress so far.
That's really inconvenient. Have you tried reaching out to the airport's lost and found department?
Yes, I visited the lost and found department at the airport, but they didn't have any information about my luggage. They told me to contact the airline directly.
It's good that you reported it to both the airline and the airport. Hopefully, they will work together to find your luggage soon. In the meantime, did you have any essential items in your carry-on bag?
Yes, luckily I had my passport, money, and some clothes in my carry-on bag. So at least I have the essentials with me. But it's frustrating not having the rest of my belongings.
That's a relief. It's always a good idea to pack some essentials in your carry-on bag, just in case something like this happens. Have you considered filing a claim for compensation?
Yes, I plan to do that once I get my luggage back. I've been keeping track of all the expenses I've had to incur due to the delay, like buying toiletries and extra clothes. The airline told me that they would reimburse me for those expenses.
That's good to hear. Make sure to keep all the receipts and documentation to support your claim. In the meantime, is there anything I can do to help you?
Thank you, Tom. Your support means a lot. If you have any suggestions on how to track down my luggage or any other tips, please let me know.
Of course, Emily. I'll keep an eye out for any updates from the airline, and if I come across any useful information, I'll definitely let you know. Hopefully, your luggage will be found and returned to you soon.
I appreciate your help. This experience has taught me the importance of packing wisely and being prepared for unexpected situations while traveling.
Absolutely. It's a valuable lesson. Remember, sometimes things go wrong during travel, but it's how we handle these situations that truly matters. Stay positive, and I'm sure everything will work out in the end.
Thank you for the encouragement, Tom. I'll try to stay positive and keep hoping for the best.
That's the spirit, Emily. In the meantime, let's think about some practical steps we can take to locate your luggage. First, make sure to provide the airline with your contact information, including your hotel address and phone number.
That's a good point, Tom. I should double check with the airline to ensure they have my updated contact details. It's crucial for them to reach me if they find my luggage.
Exactly. Additionally, it might be helpful to create a detailed list of the contents of your lost luggage. Include descriptions, brand names, colors, and any distinguishing features of the items. This will assist the airline in identifying your belongings more easily.
That's a great suggestion, Tom. I'll start making a list right away. It'll not only help the airline, but also serve as a reference for me when filing the claim for compensation.
Absolutely. And don't forget to keep all your travel documents, such as boarding passes and baggage claim tags, in a safe place. These will be required when filing a claim, and they serve as proof that you checked in your luggage.
I'm glad I kept all those documents, Tom. I have them safely stored in my travel folder, I'll make sure to keep them organized and readily accessible.
Excellent, Emily. Now, let's discuss some precautions for future trips. One essential tip is to always label your luggage with your name, address, and contact information. This way, if it gets lost, it will be easier for the airline to locate you.
You're right, Tom. I didn't have a visible luggage tag on my suitcase this time. I'll make sure to attach a durable and easy-to-spot luggage tag with all my details before my next trip.
That's a smart move, Emily. Another suggestion is to consider purchasing travel insurance that covers lost or delayed luggage. While it doesn't prevent the inconvenience, it can provide you with financial assistance to replace essential items and cover any additional expenses.
I hadn't thought about travel insurance before, but after this experience, I realize its importance. I'll definitely look into it for my future trips. It would provide me with some peace of mind.
It's always better to be safe than sorry, Emily. Travel insurance can be a lifesaver in unforeseen circumstances. Now, let's explore some ways to make the waiting period more manageable.
That would be great, Tom. I've been feeling quite stressed waiting for news about my luggage. Any suggestions to help me relax?
Of course. First, try to distract yourself by exploring the city and enjoying the sights. Take advantage of this opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and make the most of your trip.
That's a great idea, Tom. I shouldn't let this situation ruin my entire vacation. I'll focus on enjoying the present moment and the wonderful experiences Paris has to offer.
Exactly, Emily. Remember, losing luggage can be frustrating, but it doesn't define your entire trip. Engage in activities you love, visit famous landmarks, and savor the local cuisine. Capture beautiful memories with your camera or journal.
You're right, Tom. I'll make a list of all the places I want to visit and all the local dishes I want to try. I won't let this setback overshadow my entire trip.
That's the spirit, Emily. And while you're exploring, take some time to shop for essential items you might need. This way, even if your luggage doesn't arrive soon, you'll have necessary supplies to keep you comfortable.
That's a practical suggestion, Tom. I'll look for some shops nearby where I can purchase toiletries, clothes, and other essentials. It'll be a backup plan in case my luggage takes longer to arrive.
That's a smart approach, Emily. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out to the hotel staff for assistance. They might be able to help you with essential items or provide information about lost luggage cases that have been resolved in the past.
That's a good point, Tom. I'll talk to the hotel reception and see if they can offer any guidance or assistance in contacting the airline. Their experience with such situations could be valuable.
Excellent, Emily. Remember, you're not alone in this. We're here to support you, and I'm sure the airline is doing their best to locate and return your luggage. Stay positive and enjoy the rest of your trip to the fullest.
Thank you, Tom. Your support and practical advice have been invaluable. I won't let this incident dampen my spirits. I'll make the most of my time in Paris, and with luck, my luggage will find its way back to me soon.
That's the spirit, Emily. Enjoy your time in the City of Lights and don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Safe travels.